Hi friends, Mr. Ben here for Science Explorers. Today we're going to be doing an acid-base chemical reaction. Now we're going to get to what an acid and a base are in a little bit, but first I want to talk about what a chemical reaction is. A chemical reaction is when you take two or more substances and you combine them together, and at the end you have different substances. So that means the things that you put in change and create something new. Alright friends, to begin our experiment, we'll place our base, or our sodium bicarbonate, the baking soda, into the bowl. So, 2 scoops. And now, we'll take our acid, the acetic acid or vinegar, and we're going to pour it in and... Whoa! Look at that! So, let's see. What we have of our base here is a powder, and our vinegar here is a liquid, our acid, and yet we get a gas. And so that tells us right away that we have a chemical reaction because there is no gas in these two. So something is happening where something in our base and something in our acid is combining together and turning into a gas. Well, let's check that out again. Here we go. Oop. Woohoo! This is why you put a tray underneath your experiments. I didn't get too much though, thank goodness. All right, well, let's mix this up a little bit. Yeah. All right, so you can even hear it fizzing. You can hear that gas coming out. Well, you know what? We can do another experiment that's gonna kind of really show us that gas, all right? So let's head on to that. All right, friends, so we're gonna capture the gas that we're getting out of that reaction so we can really see that it's coming out of there, okay? So I've got a balloon, all right? And we're gonna put our reaction inside of this bottle, and then we're gonna put this balloon over the top, and if that gas is escaping, this balloon is gonna blow up, all right? Let's try it out. So here's my baking soda. Doesn't seem to want to come out. All right. Okay, and I'm going to add my vinegar. Whoa! All right, and let's try it out. Look at that. And there's the balloon blowing up, capturing the gas. We had a lot of that reaction come out first, so we lost a lot of that gas, but you can see it did work. It did work. Yeah. So what exactly is going on here with this chemical reaction? Well, it has everything to do with what it means to be an acid and what it means to be a base. You see, water, or H2O, is constantly breaking apart into hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions. Now, only a few of these do it at a time, and they immediately recombine, and so water remains neutral. However, if you have an imbalance of either one of these ions, for instance, hydrogen ions, you're going to have an acid, or for hydroxide ions, you're going to have a base. When you combine an acid and a base together, you get water and a salt. And in our case, the gas is carbon dioxide. Well, friends, thank you for joining me for Science Explorers today. Until next time,